Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I just figured something out and it worked pretty well, so I want to share it with you guys and gals. This is the other side of my Corvette door opener module, and I did another video on it on how you're supposed to clean it up and repair it inside, so you can look that up if that's what you're looking for. But what I wanted to share with you is how I got this final screw out. And you may recall, or well, let me just tell you again. There's this seal. It's not really, well, it's a little bit of a glue seal, melted stuff that they use when they manufacture it, and some of it ran into the screw area, so that kind of welded the screw into the hole. And they're supposed to be like little tiny, really easy screws to get out, but when I'm trying to point to it there, when it's glued in there, it's not so hard because you've got, the head on it is tiny, and it's a Phillips head, but it's not really a finely made screw or anything, so it's kind of a bad fit. Anyway, long story short, I tried to get it out, and I could see that I was stripping the area where the Phillips head goes, so I said to myself, stop. I learned that a while ago. Something's not going right, stop and think about it. So here's what I did. I've got a heat gun, so I mounted the heat gun in my vise, and then I took the part, and I held it, and boy, that little heat gun gets hot. I held it till I got it hot to the touch, not so hot that I couldn't touch it, but hot to the touch, and I knew that probably had a softening, melting effect on this material here. Then I found a screwdriver, which was actually a flat blade, not a Phillips head, but a flat blade, but it seemed to bite into the head of the screw better than the Phillips head. So I used one of them, and that was a piece of crap. It bent when I tried to turn it, so I'm throwing that away. Then I found another one. These are all like free things that you get from, going to seminars or whatever. And the second one worked, and I got it to come out without stripping it totally. So now what I'll do is I'll use that one that has a slightly damaged head in one of these other easy positions, and I'll use a good one there, even though it's not going to get glued in again, so it doesn't really matter, but I'll just rotate it around. Anyway, sorry, I shut myself off. A little quick how I did something, how I figured something out, and I put these videos up there because you might be able to translate this into some other little thing you're trying to get apart. Use heat. Basically, bottom line, use heat. And use something that gets a bite, even if it's not the correct tool for the head that you're trying to get into. If it gets a better bite, use it. Okay, give me a thumbs up or like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And have a great weekend. Well, it's only Thursday, but still, have a great weekend anyway. See ya. Maybe you're taking Friday off, right? Bye-bye.